Hello friends, today we are going to talk about roll-up summary field in Salesforce. So roll-up summary field in Salesforce automatically aggregates data from child records, that is the detail record, to a parent record, that is the master record, in a master detail relationship. It performs calculations like count, sum, mean or max, providing real-time insights like total opportunity amounts or child case counts without manual entry, right? So there are like few limitations or requirements are like it only works on master detail relationship, not on the simple lookup relationship, and limits like typically you can have like a 40 roll-up summary field per object. So and filtering conditions, so you can apply filters to only calculate records meeting specific criteria, like some only own opportunities. So those kind of filter condition we can add in the while creating that roll up summary field in Salesforce. And we are going to see one simple use case for this tutorial. Like we are going to see like total closed on revenue on account, right? And like for this use case, account will be the master record and opportunities are the child records, right? So opportunities and account are in master detail relationship, right? And we are going to add a filter conditions like whenever the opportunities stage is closed on, then only we are going to sum the child opportunity amounts, and we are going to show that amount in that account level. And we are always, for roll up summary field, we are going to create that roll up summary field in the master object, right? So we are going to create that field in the account object for this use case, right? And there are few key benefits like real time insights. So we are not going to drill down each and every opportunity to find each amount or amount associated with that opportunity. We can see that cumulative amount in the account record level, right? And we can prioritize key accounts, we can reduce as manual reporting. So roll up summary field can be used at the account level reporting, so we don't need like related reports for on opportunities object. So we can directly create reports on account, and we can find that total closed on revenue on that account by creating report on that account object by utilizing the roll up summary field in that account. And we can make like better decision making. So these are the key roles and functions we can just think about. And let's get started by creating that roll up summary field. I'm in my Salesforce org, and I'll just go to the account object, and let me just log in again. And I'll just click on this gear icon and on edit object. And in the field and relationship, I'll just click on this new button to create the roll up summary field. And in here we can see that this roll up summary data type is available, and we can just read out the help text like a read only field that displays some minimum maximum value of a field in a related list, or the record count of the records listed in the related list, right? So we can just select this specific record type, and we can just click on the next. And for today's use case will be on like means total, to calculate total closed on revenue. So I'll just provide the field name like total closed on revenue. So total closed on revenue, right? And let me just click on next again. And so we can see that master object is account and summarize object, so from which object, from which related child objects we want to get those records, right? So we can just simply select on opportunities, since account and opportunities are in master detail relationship. So if an account got deleted, its associated opportunities are gets deleted as well, right? Not like account contacts. So account contacts are lookup relationship. If we delete an account record, those contact records still exist, right, without the account information, right? So this is how the master detail relationship occurs in Salesforce, they are like tightly coupled rather than the lookup relationship. So I'll just select this opportunities object since we want to find all the cumulative amount of the opportunities, so that can be shown at the account level. So I'll just select the roll up type as sum, right, since I want to sum up all the amount, right. So I'll just select this field to aggregate. In the field to aggregate, I'll just simply select the amount field. This is amount field is a standard field of the opportunity object, right. So filter condition we can add, like filter condition by default it will be selected like all records should be included in the calculation. But as per our use case, what will be our filter condition? So filter condition will be whenever the stage equals to closed on, right. So we have already added the sum of amount. So in the field to aggregate we have already added the fields amount. Now we just want to add the filter condition, so we just need to select the second option, only records meeting certain criteria should be included in the calculation. And in the field we just need to select the stage standard field of the opportunity. So stage that must be equals to, and in here I just need to click on this lookup icon, and in here this should be closed on, right. So we want to sum up all the amounts of the opportunities who those which are closed on, right. So this is how we can just simply add the filter condition. And after configuring these tabs we can just simply click on next, and we can just select the respective profiles we want to show. So we can just click on next, and we want to add this field in our lightning record page as well, in the account record page. And I can just click on next again, and we want to add this field in the account page layouts as well. So after adding, we can just remove as well from the page layouts, but I want to keep it in layout. So after that I can just simply click on save, right. So now I'll just go to one let me just go to one account record, and let's find some data in it. So let me just open the related opportunity records, and I can find that like there are four opportunity records are available for this account, right. So we are just good to go, and let's see if it sum up. So we can see that this amount have $20,000, this amount have $250,000, and this have $50,000, and this should sum up. This four opportunity records amount should sum up, and it should show in the account level, right. So I'll just go to details, and let me just refresh this page once, and let me see whether the field got added or not. And we can see that total closed on revenue. Let me see what is the field name I have given. Total closed on revenue. So this is the roll up summary field. And another thing, we just need to verify these opportunities must be closed on. So we can see that this opportunity stage is not closed on, right. So these are all prospecting stage. So let me just update few opportunity records, right, since we have already added the filter condition like which opportunities have closed on. So that's why I just need to update the opportunities. And after clicking on this closed stage, we just need to select the stage. Like in here we just need to select closed, lost, or closed on. I'll just select the closed on, and I'll just click on save. And let me see if, like, for this account we have updated the stage to closed on, and this opportunity amount having like $20,000. So this $20,000 should be available at the account level, right. So I'll just go to the account record, and let's see, and we can see that this total closed on revenue field value got updated to $20,000, right. So I'll just go to the related record again, and let me just update the another opportunity record. So let me just update this opportunity record again to closed on, and we should see the updated amount as well in the account level, right. So I'll just go to the opportunity record, and we could see this total closed on revenue is got updated, right. So this is how we can use this roll up summary field at the whenever the objects are in master detail relationship. So that is the way we configure the roll up summary fields in Salesforce. And as I mentioned, like there are typical, like we can have at most like 40 roll-up summary fields per object. So let me just discuss. So we have only discussed like roll-up summary field for the sum of the opportunities. So let me just create another new um, roll-up summary field that could like count the number of child records, right? So I'll just select this roll-up summary data type again, and I'll just click on next, and I want to like count related opportunities. So let me just provide the field level as count related ops, and I'll just click on next, and in here again I'll just choose the opportunities object, and we could see the count, right? And if we just select this sum, mean, and as the name suggests, like mean, it will just calculate the minimum of the amount. So that's how works. Like max, it will just calculate the maximum number of amount it's having. So those kind of calculations we could do, but in here I'll just select the count, so that we can just count the number of associated opportunities for the account. And we could select the filter conditions again, but for the time being I'll not select that filter condition. So I'll just click on next again, and we just after providing the specific profile as checks, and I'll just click on this next, and lightning record page enabled, and I'll just click on save. And if I just search for roll up summary field, not count related opportunities, this is the new field we have created. And let me just refresh the page again at the account level. So one thing for the roll-up summary fields, like its updates instantly when child records are created, updated, or deleted, ensuring accurate, up-to-date data on the parent account level, right? So the field not yet added in this record page, that is due to some cache issue. For that we could do like we can just compile our record, and we could see this field got the field got added in the page record page layout, right? This count related ops. And since for this account there are like 4 opportunities are there, that is why we can see the count of these 4 opportunities. And let me just revert back it to display density to compy. Earlier was compact. So this is how we can just deal with our cache issues in the lightning record pages or in the Salesforce across the orgs. So we could see like these 2 fields we have created related with roll up summary field. And let me just create another field to show like the remaining 2 stuffs, like the max up max up. And in here I'll just click on next, and in here I'll just again select the opportunities, and in here I'll just select the max roll up summary roll up type as max, and I'll choose the amount field again, the field to aggregate. And in here I'll just provide the condition, the filter condition again as the stage should be closed on. Let me just select the field as stage, and this needs to be equal to closed on, and we are just good to go. So this is how like for the account I am just using for the example for today's use case. So like there are like 4 opportunities for that account, right? So so with this field, this max op field, we can find which opportunity having the maximum amount or revenue associated, right? So we could find that opportunity max amount in here in this field. So I'll just go to this account record page again, and I'll just refresh this one, and we could not see yet that field. And I'll just again change the display density to compact, and I'll just refresh the page once again. And now we could see the max opt value as $250,000, right? So if I just show you the associated opportunity records, and so these are two opportunity records having the stage closed on, and in here one is $20,000 and another is $250,000. So this is the greater amount than this one, right? That is why we are seeing this amount as the max amount in the parent level, in the parent account object. So we could do the same for the mean roll up type as well. So I'm not just going to see, we can just keep that for today's demo, since I have just already shown how the max roll up type works. So similar like mean roll up summary will work, and in that case we'll just find the minimum amount at the parent level in the account record, right? So this is how roll up summary field actually works in Salesforce. And if you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. I'll be adding more tutorials on Salesforce Omni Studio and Data Cloud topics, as well as Agentforce topics. So please stay tuned. Thanks for watching.